Postma has been working on something special. Cancer touches nearly every one of us in one way or another. It's a harsh reality, but it's one that brings people together. This vehicle represents more than just a service van. It's a symbol of support for every person who has fought, is fighting, or has been affected by cancer. This van is for them.
My grandmother.
My mom.
My niece Emily.
My mother-in-law.
My grandfather.
My grandparents.
My meme.
My husband. My best friend.
At Postma, we believe that businesses can be a powerful force for good. Our pink van is a symbol of hope and solidarity, but it's also a call to action. Together we can fight cancer, raise awareness, and support ongoing research that will save lives. Our goal is to be there for our community, just like they have been there for us, not just today, but for the long term. We will be donating $10 every time we are tagged in a photo on social media or every time this post is shared. Help us reach our goal of $10,000 donated. To kick things off, Postma will be donating $1,000 in support of Breast Cancer Awareness Month. But we're not stopping there. Our commitment will continue for a lifetime. Together, we are stronger.